When I think about the next 5 years for our customers, I think Continuant's a great choice because for a lot of our customers, staying right where they are is a great solution for the next 5 years, but they may not realize that because they may be feeling pressure from other vendors, end of support, end of life, need to upgrade. We can come in and really solidify the solution that you've got in place, and so maybe that's the best thing for your business for the next 5 years. For other customers, obviously, it's moving to a unified communication solution, Cisco, Microsoft, something of that ilk. For others, it's looking at a cloud-based solution. And so we're prepared really to sit down with our customer and make a recommendation either way based on what's best for our customer's business.